definitely the next room you enter, you will be, having all the praises there.
Hello everyone, this is your host Ritu and welcome back to Bubble Chat Season 4 और आज मेरे साथ हैं डॉक्टर रुबेन पस्सी. Hello doctor.
Hi.
We'll be talking on healthy skin, healthy you. How important it is कि एक अच्छी skin होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, एक healthy skin.
It's very, very important to moisturize on your face and also on the body. I always tell my patients, don't avoid your knees and your elbows. And once you take care of all the aspects, you will feel that change happening throughout. So definitely the next room you enter, you will be, having all the praises there.
Why do you believe that healthy skin is much more than just a beauty concern?
So, well, when I talk about skin, so be it you're going for a swim or you're going to your gyms for your workout, even if you've sweat out so much, you will not collapse there. Your skin has protected you. One. Number two, all the microbes, all the infections that happen around, you don't get infected very easily. It's because of your skin. It's because of your skin the thermal regulation is happening, the water content is taken care of. एकदम से ठंड में जाते हो, एकदम से सर्दी में आते हो, the regulation part is your skin is doing. So if your skin healing is bad, if your skin is not able to come over, regeneration अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है, that's when we know that the body is also not that healthy. And it's not just the beauty aspect of it, but it's also body wise. A lot of skin conditions are diagnosed after multiple skin insults which are not taking care, and that insult is happening again and again, which is giving them this issue.
What is the reason behind of acne and why it happens? Plus, what is the treatment?
So acne is your normal physiology. Acne is a sweat gland issue. There is a sweat gland which is producing oil, which we call as sebum. Sebum will protect and hydrate your skin. Okay. Now, if the oil is more on your skin will be oily, dry, or normal as per se. Now, that sweat gland, when it's concentrated with oil, has bacterial action, will give rise to acne. Can be genetic. Majorly, it's around teenagers, which is handled very easily, I would say now, because post-adolescent acne, we are seeing a lot of it in the OPD now. Like acne having for women and men above 30 years of age. Hormonal acne is really there. So acne now, what I've read in my books has totally changed now because it's diet, lifestyle, stress driven also. So yes, it starts in teenage, it's physiologic, but diet and lifestyle can really, really take care of it. I would not say that, if you're eating well and you're sleeping well, you cannot have an acne. You definitely can, but you'll have very less complications. It'll be taken care of very easily if you have a sustainable diet and lifestyle.
About the diet and lifestyle you're talking about for the good skin, what should be taken as in diet on a daily basis so that they can take care of their skin?
So I think everybody knows we don't have to eat the sugars, we don't have to eat the fried food, and I don't concentrate on that. I concentrate on protein, fiber-rich diet. Your hair till your toenail, your body is made up in protein. So make sure, be it vegetarian or non-vegetarian source, there is some form of protein in your diet. All 3 meals. Simple carbohydrates should be less. Sugar is a complete no. So the newer study has come. But make sure you exercise as well. I mean, just picking up weights, I would say, is not the only thing, or just going for a normal walk, but it is generally strength training. So your heart rate has to touch 140 and has to come back. That is when your muscles are exercising, the hormonal proportion is rolling, is when you are working out.
So many people believe that using expensive products like be skin care, lotion and sunscreen, ये वाले से ज़्यादा अच्छी skin हो जाएगी. What do you say about this?
What are you paying that expense for? First, I would just say, I mean, what I would like to ask my patients and you and everybody, like, what are you paying that expense for? For the brand that you're buying, for the fragrance that they put in, or you're paying for that ingredient they've sourced, gotten, processed, manufactured? What are you actually paying for? I write products which are worth maybe 10, 12,000. Patients are very happy to buy them because it ends up giving a result. But if you're paying for a product which is 8,000 and has maybe something which is 0.01, which I minimally need of 2%, how do you think that would suffice?
So if somebody wants to start a skincare routine on everyday basis, so daily, morning, evening routine, so what routine should be, and what are the things they should use on everyday basis to get a healthy skin?
One, again, I touch upon know your skin. Never go for products which you think will suit you. Know your skin type. Number two, know your ingredient. And my favorite thing to tell my patients is stay away from your kitchen, because these home remedies and these DIYs don't help you. So for a skincare, we need skincare products, right? Number three, and most importantly, I would say, after knowing your skin, try the products. Start with your skincare once you're 25.
Tell us what is Botox actually, and what are the challenges after that, and precautions. Plus, is it safe or not?
First, Botox is a trade name from Allergan. So the toxin is botulinum toxin.
Right.
That will just go and sit between your muscle and your nerve. So the action of your muscle movement will come for a pause. I'm not saying stopping. We are not paralyzing. We are just stopping, like for some pausing for some time.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, it is injected. Yes, it is done on the face. There's nothing known as hair Botox, just a marketing line. Botox on the hair does nothing. On the scalp might reduce the sweat,
Right.
but the hair Botox probably that my patients also ask me is nothing right now.
Right.
Okay. When I talk about Botox, very safe. I think it's been 8 years I'm doing it, and I'm very much addicted to how it makes me feel and look, of course.
Okay.
It's completely natural. I don't look like completely like a frozen face. I can make all the expressions.
What are the reasons for it? Hair fall and treatment क्या है?
Okay. Hair fall will always happen in a cycle. 50 से 100 बाल आपके रोज अगर गिर रहे हैं, it's normal. Because hair की एक cycle है 4 to 6 months की. So 6 months में जो old बाल है, वो गिर जाएगा. So
बहुत
when
लोगों
this
की
starts to happen and it's not taken up, that will damage the follicle. If I'm not treating it, then regular insults, again touching up how healthy the skin is, regular insults will lead to damaging the follicle, and then it's gone.
कि क्या करना चाहिए अगर skin issues आ रहे हैं?
One, I feel pharmacy dependence or maybe self-medication is a complete no. You are trusting somebody who is giving you a medicine on their experience without knowing the problem. So if I give a steroid in acne, definitely the acne will increase. We need to decrease that part, one. Number two, yes, changing your face wash. Start putting some certain antibiotics, for example, in acne, will really help. But I feel a specialist recommending you after knowing what the entire issue is more important.
What is psoriasis and what is the treatment of psoriasis?
So psoriasis is an autoimmune condition. When your cell starts attacking your own cell, that becomes an autoimmune issue. So if it's in the thyroid gland, it will become a thyroid issue. If it's in your pancreas, it will become a diabetes issue. When it's in your skin cell, it might be psoriasis. Psoriasis is, so from your base to your top layer, your skin cell is maturing in 28 days. For psoriasis, it's maturing in 7 to 14 days.
Okay.
So you have this white looking, irrational skin which you pick up starts bleeding because that's an immature cell. Now this is an autoimmune issue. It is, yes, genetic, has certain triggers, but it cannot be treated again at home with remedies. We need to assess how much body surface area is involved, and according to that we can cater a treatment to the patient.
Tell us something about laser So what is all in that?
We have a basket of lasers actually, from hair to scars to pigmentation to, now we have it for double chin and anti-aging, and there are a lot of lasers. I think I love lasers. We call them energy-based devices. So all the EBDs we are completely dependent on. One, they are completely mechanical. I give X amount of energy for hair. There is a definite guarantee the hair will be short and might not either come back or maybe softer. If I am treating a laser for scars, then I definitely know that I'm treating the margin and also is acting on the collagen. So we are getting an anti-aging result with it. So I think lasers are the game now. People don't feel like getting injected now.
What about the anti-aging treatments? कि किस एज पर सोचना चाहिए कि anti-aging treatments करवानी भी चाहिए या नहीं करवानी चाहिए?
One has no age. It totally depends what you want. How do you want to better it? Two, if you ask me medically, post 25 is the time we should start intervening. So we start with the topicals. That's what I told you. 30 to 40 is something that we need to introduce some form of collagen boosting procedure. So it can be microneedling, it can be a laser, it can be just like a normal exosome or a regenerative procedure which will boost your collagen. So yes.
So your favorite skincare ingredient? One word answer.
Sunscreen. Only
Which sunscreen you use? One skincare product everyone must own.
Sunscreen.
Most underrated skincare habit.
Sunscreen.
Morning routine or night routine of yours?
For me, I think night I'm much more relaxed.
Tea or coffee people you are?
I'm a complete tea person. Summer बहुत ज़्यादा challenging होता है.
One beauty trend people should stop following.
One is, I told you, Korean skin. I don't know why is it so viral, but it's like all over the place.
Okay, one food for healthy skin.
Beetroots, carrots, chicken if you're a non-vegetarian, tofu, paneer, sprouts. Make your salad look as colorful as it can be. Add some nuts, seeds in it, and make sure you're consistent with it. Your food should be colorful, not just once a week, but every day.
Okay, one word that defines beauty.
That's, I think, when you feel confident when you look into the mirror.
Amazing. Thank you so very much. See you all, guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Shabak Khair. Bye bye.